Stick till the end of this video to know how to enter the giveaway. Hi guys, what's up? I am alive. Let's start. So I'm pretty sure you're wondering what this video is about. Well, last week I went over to CubeNama's office, and me and James were planning on just practicing because that's something we had decided that we were going to do together at least once a week at Aman's at the last episode, at the next episode, the last episode, whatever that comp was called, and it was kind of fun. The comp, not talking. Even though that was fun too. Anyway, so James and I ended up doing the Sunday stream with CubeNama, and this video is about basically seeing how much I did good at 6 and 7 in that stream, because I realized later that I went god mode in the second round, and I just wanted to see if I broke any PBs on 6x6 or 7x7, and I think I did on at least the 6, if not the 7, because I've been practicing 7 a lot and I ended up breaking it. I put it on Instagram post. I broke my 7x7, and yes, I'm looking for a new 7x7 if anyone can get me. Actually, no, I must have gotten manas already by this time. Anyway, so let's go ahead and see if I actually broke any records. If not the others, at least in the second round. So make sure you stick till at least the half of this video till the second round, and please rate this video in the comments once you finished watching it. Okay, so now that we are live, not really, but okay, let's go ahead and check out CubeNama's page. So this is CubeNama's home screen. They've got Chasing Records, the story of Aman Kohli. This was a very good documentary. You should check this out. So let's go ahead into the stream, and this is going to be a little long. Okay, this is a little loud. Anyway, so let's like it first. Let's see how long it went on. Anyway, I think we can easily go up till here, 1342.
Alright, we have James opening the chat. Okay, are we starting?
Okay, I haven't actually even seen the chat. Ricky Robber for life. Wow, that's nice. Ram Thakkar is really supporting me.
Okay, James is expecting all the way to 6. Did he expect 7?
James inspected till 7. That's really weird.
And participants, you have to start at 3. 2. Keep the cube down. Okay. 1. Go. Let's start with the 2 by 2.
Okay, we're recording every single thing, so let's see. I'll be putting splits of every single thing over here. Don't worry.
Bhavya has solved the 2 by 2.
That is at 1500. So that took me 10 seconds. That's really sad.
Solving the first cube first is pretty important.
It gives you a leverage, sort of.
Phase with the opponent.
Okay, so your voice is also going to be in this video, so please check it. Anyway.
So people who are saying, bro, you CLL. James is actually a sub 5 solver, but then
I popped that cube.
Now it's come into picture. And Bhavya has a cube pop.
Okay, that was 22 seconds.
4x4. James already has the first 2 centers done.
James was kind of fast in this, weirdly, but I think I coped quite nice.
Come on, guys. Okay, James is done with the edges. James is done with the centers.
I actually coped up quite nicely in this one, but then again, James won all 3. That was weird. He shouldn't have won that easily, should he?
This does look close, yes, J-Pro.
Looks close.
Okay, James is done with all the edges, and I guess so is Bhavya. Both of them are in 3x3 stage.
Yeah, James finished 4x4 faster than
This is
me.
where James really takes his lead, because 6x6 and 7x7 we know Bhavya is going to absolutely kill it. And in fact, James has started with the 5x5. Bhavya is almost done. Bhavya is done with the PLL on his 4x4. And he starts
That's
with the
16-12.
James is already done with the white center.
So that's 50 seconds. Not bad. I'm not going to do James. James can do his own. He has a good channel for himself.
If you have your birthday in February, if you're planning on getting a cube from CubeNama, contact me, I'll give you a discount, a birthday discount.
Okay. So both of us are doing 5x5. We're doing quite good, I believe. At least I hope so.
James has done the first 4 centers, he's done the last 2 centers. Bhavya has also done the centers. Bhavya has gained a lot of ground right here. James has started with the free slicing. Bhavya, since he is pretty experienced in 6 and 7, his 5x5 free slicing is also slightly faster than James.
इतना मक्खन मत लगाया कर सोहम, बहुत ज़्यादा मक्खन लगाता है.
Okay, I'm gonna take the camera slightly closer so that you can see it properly.
That is too close. Too close. You can almost see everything. Okay, that's basically because I solve under the table and James is still little above the table. I can't solve I can't solve over the table that easily. It's
James
difficult.
would peek while he was solving.
Okay,
Both
somehow.
of them are they are done with the edges. Yes, they're done with the edges. Both of them are in the 3x3 stage. But we're still left with last two edges. Now it's done. Both of them are in the 3x3 stage.
Okay, this was kind of close the end.
Oh, it's a lovely cube.
Okay, so that is 1742. So that took me a minute 30, which is not that bad.
CubeNama it's not released yet, but then just contact me on Instagram and I'll make sure.
Okay, first stream is first round was not that great, so you can skip to this timestamp if you want to go ahead and see how well I did in the second one.
Practicing 6x6 quite a lot. What do they both average for 3x3? Both of them they average around 13 to 14 seconds on a 3x3.
Nobody asked that question, so
Since it's a relay, the normal averages they usually don't count because.
Okay, I think I went a little too ahead. No, I went a little too ahead.
Okay, fast.
Okay. Yeah, 1933 seems good.
For those of you who have your birthday on 30th Feb, you get a 100% discount from the CubeNama store.
Oh, he's giving a 100%
What is the
discount.
winner gonna get? He gets my respect.
So we should have given us something better, but then again, James won, so that's good. You didn't give him anything.
Come on, guys. Let it be Bobby in the chat and James will be in the chat. Let's go. Oh, James has a pop. James has a pop.
Somehow he fixed his pop too fast.
In a big theory, right?
Okay, that's 2017. It's okay, that was not a good solve. Or maybe it was, I don't know. That's like 2 minutes.
Okay,
Okay, so
Bobby started the set.
25. So that's 235, not that great.
Okay, James has started the set. Okay, already this one is first center.
Oh,
Alright, we have Bobby open the chat. James, you have F in the chat for you.
somebody actually wrote F. Meet Gokhale wrote F, and then Vandana Sahu again. Who's Vandana
The
Sahu?
site was down,
Wrote
but
Bhavya,
it's back up because we were changing our we were migrating our site from one to hosting to the other, but it's back on. So go buy cubes. Make me happy.
Make sure I'm happy and buy cubes from CubeNama. It's a very good store.
Yes, Pop was the game changer, but then it has given Bhavya slight advantage since he's already very fast at 7x7. Bhavya is on his yellow center. James is still not done with his white center.
I was done with my yellow center, I think. Yeah, that's it. I'm
Bhavya
done.
is the second fastest 7x7 solver in Mumbai.
Okay, let me tell you this. I am not the second fastest 7x7 solver in Mumbai. That would either be Arav Gandhi or Aman Bhutani. They are much faster than me. Sheldon Drago, of course, is the NR holder. And there might be new people like Aman, who's been practicing 7x7, who is much faster than me because they naturally have a good average. Have a slight advantage, not slight, quite a good advantage when it comes to fluke ahead and the fact that they are actually really fast in 3x, much faster in 3x3 than me. So if in the next competition Soham says that I'm the second fastest and I come 4th or 5th, don't be surprised. Because that can happen and that will happen. Let's get back.
Second to the one and only Sheldon Drago.
Sheldon Drago. Sheldon Drago is super fast.
Message us on Instagram, yeah.
Okay, let's skip a little.
Both viewers have moved on to freeze. And Bobby has a pop.
Okay, this was one of the worst
Picks the
pops.
pop. It's on the green.
I actually just took out the piece because I could work without it. So I got 2 pops in the first one itself. That's so sad.
Okay, Bobby has taken out the internal.
I can take it out,
So
it
we are
works.
saying the internal is out. It does not matter as per WC regulation. If a piece that does not have a color has popped outside the
Yes, James
it's
will
still considered
win
solved.
because of the pop.
Oh yes, even colorblind people can become viewers. So on contrary to popular belief that colorblind people can't see any color, it's usually in the most common cases, colorblind people cannot distinguish between one of two colors. Like
It's mostly blue and green.
Between red, green, or blue, or yellow. I guess I'm not sure. But yeah.
Mostly between
in
blue and green,
cases
so
where
on.
there's complete colorblind, they still can figure out different shades of grey. So yes, colorblind people can solve. In fact, there's a cuber from India. His name is Prachulia. That person is completely blind and still he solves the Rubik's Cube. He uses cubes with different textures and buttons on it to feel the different sides.
Respect.
And James has done this 7 by 7.
Okay, so that was kind of
That
fast.
was not at all expected.
And that is where James won and I lost. Okay, so that is 24-22. I don't think this is very good. So, okay, that was 4-minute 5. So that one was a 4-minute 5 solve. I think because of the pop. So if we disregard the pop, I could have still gotten someplace.
Come on, guys.
I'm not really going to be focusing on the rest of it. So let's go ahead to the second part of it. So let's skip to the correct part at least. Okay, so we are at,
Alright, James is
Second.
flexing his muscles. That's the money shot right there.
and that's when I show you the muddy shot of my stomach. Boom! That's such a beautiful one. There's so much oil on my face. God, you can see me in two
Alright, guys.
screens
Once
at
again,
this
those
point.
of you who have just joined, we are doing a head-to-head relay between James Gonzalez. It's a shot.
Okay, the camera is a little tilted, so hum make it straight.
I
You.
hope James loses this again. James tried to lose.
He tried and I lost it still. He. I was bored.
Last round, James solved all the puzzles in 30 minutes, 5 seconds, and Bobby solved in 30, 33. Bobby is a 25-second advantage, something that we can easily get in 6 and 7.
I could have won. Soham, don't do this to me. I could have
The
won.
participants will get 30 seconds to inspect.
No side events next time, Soham. Soham, no side events next time.
Come on, guys, this is the last chance to.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning already. Shit.
Bobby will be in the chat and James will be in the chat.
Okay, I'm gonna judge whoever did not put James Bhavya and OP in the chat.
2, 1, go!
Samay OP, seriously?
Started the inspection.
Love from Pakistan.
Love from India too, brother. Love from India. Inspected the 3 by 3 as well. So usually I would just like inspect the 2 and 3, but so it's Amal too, but these guys are pro. They're moving on to 4 by 4 as well, 5 by 5. James is inspecting his 5 by 5.
I used to do all the way till 7 inspection.
Then stop. At what point do you stop inspecting? He's inspecting 7 by 7. Okay, now this is 2. He's just waiting. Alright.
Basically
Start
was at
solving.
that point.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, I had to.
Started with 2 by 2.
Okay, I didn't see, so let's make it a 39-13. Let's see how much time I take to do the 2 by 2. Okay, that was kind of fast. Both were the same. 39-19, so that's 6 seconds. I'm writing this down, people, so that I don't mess it up. Don't judge me. I don't use phones and all to write this shit down.
And they did it at the same time. It's on the 3 by 3. Both
Okay.
the puzzles are using the. Both the participants are using the.
Okay, my fingertips are good. That's 39-32. So that's like a 13-second solve. Not bad. I don't know exact timings, I'm just trying my best.
On. Is this his redemption round?
No, Soham, I lost real bad and you know it. You gave me the worst cube, Soham. You give me the worst cube. How do you get the fire emoji in the
next break,
title?
we'll learn how to solve the pyramids, for sure.
Tell Ricky his best brawl partner is rooting for him. Arnit, you should have told me this, I would have won. Call करके बताना चाहिए था.
Alright, both the participants are on to 4 by 4. Okay, started with free slicing, so has James. Okay, jumped all his edges. He's moved on to 3 by 3.
I went OP, I went God mode in this one, yaar. I should have won. Wait, what happened? Okay, so apparently the live stream stopped at this point, so I don't know how much I went for 4 by 4. So I won't even know how much I did in 5 by 5. That is not fair. So something should be done about this. So let's see when I finish 5 by 5, so that we can have a good idea for 6 by 6 at least. Please tell me it didn't go bad here, because I need to know how much I did in 6 and 7. 5 is still okay. I went God mode, man. Seriously, I actually went God mode here.
Okay guys, sorry for the lag. We lost Wi-Fi somewhere. Anyways, we are back online.
Okay.
Bobia is on his last 4 HS on 5x5. James has just started free slicing. Will this be a redemption route for Bobia? Thank you so much, Jacob. I try my best. If not cubing, I have to be good at something, right? No, it was not your internet problem. The prowess of these two cubers, the internet couldn't handle it.
Yeah, sure. And then I lost.
He's on to his 3x3 stage, and obviously,
Okay, so that was 4109. So please don't mess up this. I really need to know how well I did on 6x6.
Bobia almost has a 14-second lead at this point. But the ball is on with the edges. James is done with the centers. Bobia has an almost 15-second lead right here. But then this is a winning round for Bobia. 6x6 and 7x7. Big cubes is where Bobia shines.
I shine, but I still lost. So
Do you think Bobia's gonna win?
yes.
Let's have hashtag redemption in the chats. Hashtag redemption.
Let's see who messed this up. Please tell me I got some sort of PB because we're already at 4311.
Slightly tired of speaking to them. Oh, I am right here.
Redunction. Who wrote? JPUM wrote redunction. Okay, JPUM Cubing Galaxy, not the actual JPUM, wrote redunction.
It's not redemption, buddy. It's redemption.
Thank you, so.
Redemption. It means revenge.
Not really, but still.
Alright, let's have some music right here. Yay! Finally, someone got the spelling right.
Copyright. Okay, so that is 4344. That is not a good solve. That is 2 minutes. 2 minutes 20. Okay, sorry. 2 minutes 35 seconds. So the first and the second 6x6 also were almost the same. But I think I did very good in 7x7.
And James has messed up 6x6 off. He has messed up.
I could have done such a great job if that cube had not popped. Okay.
Bobia is on fire. He has moved on to 7x7.
And I still lost, so stop saying that.
Bobia did his 2 to 6 in roughly 5 minutes 20 seconds.
5 minutes. Oh, that's
It's
nice.
6x6. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
I like this song.
And James has done the 6x6 finally. He
And-
was slightly good from here to see what he was up to.
And yet James won, man. How? This is not fair. Okay, James is very good at Mega Minx, and I basically sucked at Mega Minx. If there were no side events, I would have won every single one of these. You know. I don't want to brag, but I would have won, man. Okay, I'm gonna see how much I did from 2 to 7 in this one. If that's really good, then I guess. Well, anyway, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway 250. So subscribe. Subscribe.
7x7 and James is using the MGC 7x7.
Okay, people were actually rooting for me, and I still lost so badly.
The Neo Vlog GTS 3 cam, oh yes, it is personally my favorite cube. That is the cube on which Eamon Kohli got the world record for his 3x3 with feet.
He was very good. That world record was
an
very
absolute
good.
favorite of all of us here at Cube Nano. It is probably the fastest stable cube that we have. Yeah. It is great also by Suburban.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Okay, let's go skip ahead a little bit.
And always on to his last 2 centers.
Okay. I'm gonna put the charger after this, so we'll have to take a little break. Okay, I took a peek. That's not good.
Personally, I would recommend the GTS 3M. Why only 25 watching? Because I'm not sure. But that's nice. Why only 20 people watching? Go let your friends know we are live. And Bobia on his last 2 edges.
Okay, that took me more than 8 minutes, so that's not good.
He's on his last, I guess, 5 or 6 edges.
I haven't.
Shooting stars by record. Someday it will be minimum 3K watching. Someday it will be 30K watching.
Okay, so honestly, I don't think I got something good.
Neo is also the short form for the magnets that we use. So the
Neo
magnets that
DBM.
we use is Neo neodymium magnets. That's why neo. So it's new, and we use neodymium magnets.
Okay, that was 47:26. So, okay, that was a very bad solve. That is like 3 minutes 38. No, that's 3 minutes 86. So that means 42. 3 minutes 42 seconds. Why did I think it was a good solve? I really thought I went God mode. Shit, that's so sad.
Always done is done by 7.
Okay, so thank you, but I still messed up. I still lost. I'm not gonna humiliate myself by recording and showing you all that. Let's take a pause and let's go ahead into the third one, which I lost even badly. Okay, so let's go ahead into the third one. Now, I honestly hope I did something good in the third one, because the first two I have messed up super bad. I'm not gonna show you my worst mess ups at this point, but let's still just go ahead and go into the third one. Thank you, Soham, for showing us how to solve a Pyraminx on stream. Look at me, I look like such a bola. I look like Cheddar. Cheddar is my puppy, so go ahead and check his Instagram out. I'll tag him right here.
I think he's gonna win. Jorge has already lost 2.
I lost too.
Can you make a comeback in this one?
No.
Alright. You can start inspecting. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey.
Okay, slides. 1, go.
Okay, so we start at 101.24. So I'm just gonna say 01.24, and let's see. I messed up that 2x2 solve really badly. Okay, so that was 28. 01.28. So that's like 4 seconds. Which is like much faster than my actual average. PB average, PR average, which is like very sad. Let's see how good I did 3x3.
Using the Tengyun V1M for the 3x3. Okay.
Okay, so that is 144. So that's 16 seconds, which is even worse. Okay, let's see. Let's skip a little. I think we can easily skip 20 seconds.
I'm really not sure. We do not have any side jobs. I mean, I had a pretty well-paying job, but
Okay, so that's 226, 0226. So that makes another 42 seconds solve. That's good. That's not bad.
I left it. James had a job and left it. Compassion is what we choose. Who you would like to see on the stream next? Oh yeah, please do that. Please let us 200. Would absolutely love that.
I did on top of the table, so I even went bad, but I wanted to show my solve. I wanted to show my solve. Okay, guys, I wanted to show my solve. It had the corner twist went in very early actually. How did James? Okay, I already started 6. I didn't even realize.
Mia needs to get a competitive lead in 617. Hope you had a corner twist. I didn't know it was possible.
Okay, so that's 356. So that's a 1 minute 30 solve, which is not bad, but not very good either.
We have seen everything today.
You were seeing the worst of Bhavya Kumar that day,
It's a test
Soham.
of your focus.
It's not a test if you know all the cubes that you use. Okay, I'm not gonna.
Bhavya is on the edges.
What did I mess up in the third one? I think this
Listen,
cube.
Radkopar, if you'd like to learn more
No,
about it,
Squan.
message us on
Or maybe it's cube, I don't know.
while we're operating. So, interviews, let's not do. And both the participants are on the edges, both of them are on 3x3 stage.
Really? That's great.
James with the MGC 6x6 and Bhavya with the Shadow 6x6. Bhavya has a parity. Parity is something you can comment on even layered environment puzzles. And James is on with 7x7.
He got a good lead, so that's basically because I messed up, I guess. No, he did good. That's 628. I started at 356. That makes it a 232 solve. So that was like average for me, but he did good. Yeah, he did good. He made up good time on the 6x6 then. Let's see how much I did in 7.
Challenges, something you'd like to do. It can be a big cube. Friend both. It's copyright or not, let me check. If it is not, I'll take this now. We do not put out forms. We do not take applications. We believe in sponsoring people. We feel are showing potential. We want to get sponsored. Really appreciate it. Been really. Let's go, guys. This is the last time. Also, let me know in the comments whether you prefer English commentary क्या या फिर आपको हिंदी में कम. It can cause minor distraction, but then both the viewers are okay with it. We made sure that we checked with them prior to that.
How did he fix his pop so easily? How
Yes,
did
I know.
James fix his pop so easily? I just mixed their names.
I know
Joham.
what format rather strongly.
Right, Joham?
Oh, English. Then English it is.
Okay, so that is 1948. 109.48. So 09.48. That's a 320 solve. Okay, so I honestly didn't do very good. Do you want to watch till the end? I don't want to watch till the end. So if you want to watch till the end, I'm going to link it right on top of my head for you to watch this video, for the end of this video. I messed up real bad. I'll be honest, I messed up real bad. I could have won all 3, but okay, it was a day of bad luck. I had total 4 pops, rather 3 pops and 1 bad solve. So I had a pop in 3x3 and 7x7 in the first round itself. I think I didn't watch, so probably I had this cube pop in the second. No, I had this cube pop in the third, and a really bad squan solve in the second one. And okay, James is faster than me in clock, even though not by much, but still quite a lot. And in the third one, I just lost it. I was like, मेरे को नहीं खत्म करने का है अब. So he's better than me at clock. Squan, we are almost the same. Megaminx, he's super fast. I have to compete with him in Mega the next time because I can't let him go that easily. Cube, we are kind of the same, though I can be a little faster. Pyraminx, he's faster than me anytime, but Pyraminx is a small cube, so it doesn't matter that much. Other than that, I'm faster than him at 6x6 and 7x7, but I need to practice. We are almost at the same level. Then again, 5x5, 4x4, I have a slight advantage, not much. 3x3, I guess we're the same. I don't really know. 2x2, I don't practice, so it doesn't matter anymore. OH, I believe I am better, but who cares anyway. Okay, so for the first time, I can actually say this, and it makes me so happy. This giveaway is sponsored by CubeNama. And being sponsored for even just one giveaway is like a big thing at this point. Okay, so there are 2 prizes to this giveaway. The second prize will be a cube, a 3x3 set up by CubeNama. I have no idea which one. I'll be knowing later, so by the time the giveaway winners are announced, I'm pretty sure I know which one it is. The first prize is a cube going to be set up by me. So that 3x3 that I'm going to be setting up and sending out is the Weilong worm and WRM, Moyo Weilong WRM. And the reason why I'm doing it is because the WRM is my main, and the WRM is a little tricky to set up because you have certain differences with regular cubes because the worm is a little faster, and being a little of a more controlled cuber, I think the way I set it up is much better. Now I'll be making a video of how I set up the worm because I really want to get into setups and I want to show how I set it up so that whoever receives it doesn't, at least they know how I've set it up. Now how to enter the giveaway. I'm checking my notes. To enter the second place, so subscribe to my channel, go to CubeNama, subscribe to their channel. They have some crazy content, especially if you look at James's cube collection video. His collection is so amazing, and the way he's made that, the way I've made the video, beautiful. I mean, their setup for making the videos is amazing. I mean, I am impressed, even though like they're like again out of the frame. And after you've done that, go down to the comment section of this video and tell me what is your favorite thing about my channel to enter the giveaway. Now to get the first place, the cube that I'll set up, go ahead and follow. This will be based on Instagram, so go ahead and follow my channel, my page. What do you call it? Go ahead and follow Ricky Robber. Go ahead and follow CubeNama, and go ahead to this post and type out what you think setup in India's cube setup in India should come up more with. Like, how can we improve, how can I improve that, so that I have a good clear idea of how I should move forward with my channel. Now that is the basic of how to enter. The giveaway winners will be announced on the 7th of February, and I'm hoping to do it on the live stream. I don't know how I'll be doing it. I'll let you know beforehand, and if it'll be in Cube Nama's office, you'll know for sure. Since it's a Sunday, I think I can do it there. It'll be a stream. And that's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and please enter the giveaway. I'm pretty sure I love setting up the cube that I have to.